Hi everyone, Ryan here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use SellerSprite for product research. Essentially, we're going to be exploring the powerful product research tool offered by SellerSprite. As an Amazon seller, finding the right product is absolutely crucial to your success. And SellerSprite's tool is designed to make that process as efficient and effective as possible. So in this walkthrough, I'll be showing you how to utilize the various features and filters to uncover high potential product opportunities, even in competitive markets. Let's get started. So the first thing that you will notice when you open up the SellerSprite product research tool is the ability to select your desired Amazon marketplace. This is amazing if you're considering expanding to new regions or if you simply want to compare opportunities across different markets. You can also specify the time frame for your search, which defaults to the last 30 days. However, you can easily adjust to a specific month or a range. For this example, I'm going to focus on last month. But if you're wondering why this time frame selection is important, and the reason is that it allows you to analyze historical data and identify trends or seasonal patterns. So if a product was a hot seller last summer, but has since declined, then that's crucial information to have and you shouldn't be selling it in winter or other seasons. Next, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite features of SellerSprite's tool, and that's the ability to drill down into subcategories. As you can see, we can start with the broad main categories like home and kitchen, sports and outdoors, etc. But then you can click on the drop-down menu and reveal the subcategories. So let's say that you are interested in the home and kitchen category. We can immediately narrow our focus by selecting a subcategory like the bathroom accessories. And we can go even further by choosing shower accessories. By drilling down like this, we are able to identify much more specific niche product opportunities. Instead of having to compete in the massive home and kitchen category as a whole, you can target a smaller, more focused segment of the market. Of course, you can select multiple subcategories if you want to broaden your search. But for this video example, I'm going to stick with just shower accessories. With our category focus set, it's time to define our search criteria. And for that, SellerSprite offers a range of filters to help you zero in on products that meet your specific goals and requirements. And the first metric I usually look for is the monthly unit sales. I generally would aim for products that are selling at least 300 units per month, or roughly 10 per day. This ensures that there is a decent level of demand, so for this search, I'm going to set the minimum to 300. Next up is the monthly sales growth. A high percentage but not too high also suggests that there is increasing demand. If the percentage is suddenly way too high, then you can expect this product to be a seasonal kind of product, and it's not something that you can sell year-round. So for this case, I like to see products that are growing by at least 2% month over month. I'm going to set the minimum to 2%. For the price range, I typically look for products between $40 and $60, as this tends to be a sweet spot for profitability and perceived value by the consumers. However, for the sake of this video that we're making on the shower accessories, they tend to be a lot cheaper than other products, so I'm going to set the price range at a minimum of $2. Finally, I'm going to cap the maximum review count at 400, and this will help you find products that are not overly saturated with competitors. In addition to these main criteria, SellerSprite allows you to filter by seller location, brand names, keywords, fulfillment method, and more. So you can use these to further refine your search based on your specific preferences and requirements. But for my search example, I'm going to leave the rest to be at default. And now we can run the search and see what kind of products SellerSprite finds for us. And as you can see, SellerSprite has found 21 results in this case. And through this, we can see some key data points like the monthly revenue, price, BSR, review count, and more. SellerSprite makes it really easy to quickly assess a product's performance at a glance. So let's open up a few of these listings to get a closer look. For example, here we have the 2-pack transparent shower caddy, and it seems a little bit promising. You can easily identify that it has done over $14,000 in revenue and $7,000 in the last month alone. It also has a very good rating of 4.7, and this tells us initially that it is a pretty good potential product. However, it's very important to remember that while tools like SellerSprite are fantastic for surfacing initial product ideas, you still need to validate the opportunity through deeper research. And you do that by analyzing the competition and running through all of the numbers to make sure the profit potential is really there. Here is another interesting finding. We've got a baby bath toy organizer that is quick drying and mold proof. As you can see, the revenue for this product is about $30,000, making around $1,000 in revenue and $13,000 in the last month alone. The rating is also pretty good at 4.6, but one thing that has caught my attention here is the sales trend chart. If you take a look at it, you will see that it's somewhat consistent. And this tells you that this is the type of product that would work year-round. Since March, the product has sold 2.4 thousand units and generated $35,000 almost. And then it's continued in the same pace, going down only a little bit, only to spike back up. And then it's carried on at a consistent rate until April. And these are the kind of insights that we can only get by digging into details of each listing. Definitely don't be afraid to play around with different category and subcategory combinations. Sometimes you find the best opportunities in the least expected niches. That will be all on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely be sure to be subscribed to our YouTube channel, as we have a ton of content to be made on SellerSprite and Amazon FBA. If you have any other questions, let us know by leaving them in the comment section down below, and see you guys in the next video.